Credit to Red Blue, whatever his name was. Thanks for letting me use your crappy, barely listenable house music. That'll strike me, because he's probably petty too.
Radio check.
That was bad. That was bad. Oh, do. Make some popcorn. Gotta make some popcorn. Actually.
The leader has just done a 30.7. The leader has just done a 30.3. Pit lane speed limit is 80 kilometers per hour. Fastest lap for Ranson, 29.9.
Sexy when you burp like that. Makes me wanna shoot my cat. Meow. Meow meow meow. Meow meow. Oh meow my human. Oh, Ken. Yes, Barbie. I wish you'd wail on me, Ken. Barbie. Ken. Only wail on other Kens. Oh.
827.
Oh, 2 minutes. All right. Dead last. Awesome.
One to go.
Good luck,
You'll
everyone.
start on the inside. The estimated strength
Good
of
luck,
steel is 1,868. Roll
Good
barbers,
luck.
you got a copy.
Good luck, Davis.
Oh, yes, sir. Bring it on, my friend. Gotcha, man. Gotcha. Good seat. Roger. I would assume it's difficult to see right now, but I'm sure you've got your marks. Yes, sir. Loud and clear. Got my marks. Closed. Closed.
Max
We got
Carlton
3
Wayne.
sets of tires.
I've got no stomach accents to that dude. Max Carlton Wayne.
327, 80 laps. We need to follow car number 18 in the inside column.
Oh man. Keep forgetting.
What's up, Glenn? It's been a while.
Alright, looks like you're going to be lining up behind the 7. Looks like you'll be lining up behind the 28.
What's that, man?
Alright, we need to be behind the 3. Come in to be behind the 11. Alright, buddy. Line up behind the 11. You should be lining up behind the 14.
Catch up to car
Line up
number
behind the
18.
18.
He was talking to me, right? And then bird card. Nice.
We need to catch car number 18.
Slide back in that seat. Get something to drink. Get ready to go here. Green flag.
It's an 1800 room, so I assume they're a little better than the average bear.
Inside. Still there. Still there at your door. Side only.
start. Well done.
Still there. You're clear low.
V21.
Inside. Still there. Still there.
Copy off there. Got loose.
Still there. Clear low.
Sorry if I scared anyone there.
Working the bottom inside. Door. Still there. Clear low.
V19.
Outside. Still there. Clear outside.
The leader's just done it. 30.3.
The great last lap, man.
V18. Fuel window opens on lap 34.
Quarter inside. Still there. Clear low if you need it.
The fastest lap for Reynolds, 30.2.
That's a great lap, Eva. Keep it up. Outside. Still there.
V17.
Clear high.
Car in front of us is Woods.
Alright.
P18.
Good job. Outside. On the back. Again. One. Outside. Clear high. Clear.
Oh, yeah, music.
The great last lap, man.
Car ahead is Robots, 17th place. You've just done it, 40.6. It's your best lap in this session.
That was my fault 5. I'm sorry.
You're good. I'm on a base setup. I'm trying to enjoy my time in the front as I can. Yep, you're good. I'm just dropping off there.
When you get a chance.
18th. Good consistency. Keep them coming.
That's it, man. No pressure out the back. The interval is 1.3. Leaders will run up 30.524.
There you go. There you go.
The gap
Slowing
to
it down, huh?
Robots ahead is now 2.0. Ransom is now leading.
Mowing that grass, man. I'm getting faster, they're getting slower. Possibly does.
Not bad, my man. You catch your man by about 2/10 up there. The gap is 1.6.
Hey to the way down. Third of the field down.
Behind us now, 2.2. That lap
I had to
was
turn these
30.9.
mirrors off. It's too much bullshit. Usually I'm at like 100 frames. Down at 64 and doing OBS. Yeah, 3 mirrors on.
Lots of room out back.
And all my graphical
The gap
mods.
is 2.3.
That's smart. Yeah, we're gonna let the tires cool down though. Just wanna stick with the pack here. To
That lap was
cruise
out
control a little bit.
30.8. Gain on the guy in front. The gap is 0.4.
Outside. Can't tell. Clear high.
Fucking room do you want?
Jackie Kirby. Whoa!
P18. That's good consistency. Keep it up.
Talk to him after we pass him.
Outside. In, out, no hole. Clear outside. Clear.
That's how you do it, motherfucker.
Leaders are running 31.0. Outside. Quarter outside.
15th place.
Door out.
You've just done it. 31.0.
You're good, man. You're faster than still there. Keep it up. Clear high. The gap is 1.9.
There you go. That was some high flying.
Webb is now in the lead.
Gotcha. See ya.
14th. That was at 31.3.
21 is the leader. You look at your test for me.
I already turned it on to get away from that guy. Might have burned my tires out just slightly. Luckily, cheat codes here, Vegas.
0.4. Your last lap time was at 31.3.
Feels good.
Stop.
The track temperature is increasing. It's now 28 Celsius.
Outside. Still there. We're outside. Good job, man. You catch him, man. Clear high. The interval is
13th place. The gap behind is
Clear.
0.1.
Thank you, Kirk. He was trying to stop me, so that's like 50 times as insulting as it would normally be. Thank you. I wonder if this is the top split. I doubt it.
Lap times are pretty consistent.
Well, man. Woo, that was good.
Fast guys are running 31.77. Good job, man. Nothing out the back.
Ahead is now
The interval
0 seconds.
0.1.
I think the trick is to go deep in, or deep the inside on floors. You can go. You guys are losing tires, and I'm not.
The lap time was 31.6.
Outside.
What's the idea there, man?
Clear high.
P12. That was 31.7.
Making sure that set to what? Okay. I'm gonna relax a little, starting to tense up in my arm. Ooh. That happens when you tense up. Don't do it. Okay, bye.
P11.
Thank you. No flag on that.
Are you stupid?
Gap to Hook ahead is now 1.3.
We are so close to top 10 just from driving.
The interval is 1.3.
Like, no strategy or anything. I was last.
Car in front is
I'm almost stuck in the top 10.
That's 1.7. Lap times are pretty consistent.
Just can't quite catch the atmosphere for these guys. That probably is an episode of another Jesus takeaway. I start speeding up. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, carry on the mountain. Oh, the mountain. Ooh, let's come out. Ooh, down the truck to I got no tires left.
Give it what it'll take, bud. You got lots of room behind you. The gap is 2.2. So, you know, fast guys are running 31.7.
Lap time was
Research in Soviet
31.8.
copyright free tech. Now house mix. Take me away.
P11.
Concentrate. You guys are getting sloppy. Now is your chance.
Outside. Still there. Still there. Clear high, clear high.
Oh, these two. You two guys. No! Please don't let that be my internet going out. Yep. That sucks. Oh, there's already screen this far. Nope, still on. Still on.
Outside. Still there.
You've just done a 32.2.
Still there, still there. Still there. Still outside. Still there. Still there at your door. Still there. Still outside. Still there. Still there. Still there right next to you. Outside. Still there. Still there. Clear outside.
Chris, what setup shop are you running?
Inside.
What kind of what, sorry?
Still there.
I'm sorry?
Clear inside. Outside quarter. Still there. You can get them. Still there. The gap 2.1. Still there, man. Still there. Theater's at a 31. Still there at your door.
That was good rating.
Still there. Still there. Get your breath. Get some more. Still there.
Tires are getting bad.
Still there.
Me too, man. I'm using
Still there.
the base
Quarter.
setup, so I'm pretty fluff.
Clear down here. Same.
You alright?
Yeah, a little swirly. We're good.
Wouldn't be Vegas if you didn't tail slap something.
That lap time was 32.3.
Top 10, baby. There's a way. Oh, there's that car.
Thumbs out the back, man. Keep it up. The gap 1.
Damn it, 9.
Come on. Come on, Carson.
Yeah, I got a little tight.
It's increasing. It's now 1.3.
I know you were tight, but I wasn't expecting you to go up that much. I hit the wall and gave myself wheel damage because it was either hit the wall or you.
That lap was at 31.8.
Yeah, I couldn't help it, bro. I'll go high, Chris.
Got one stopped on the apron in front of you there.
Window open.
Good job. Lots of room out the back. The interval is 2.
8th place.
Whoa.
Good.
Yeah, you catch it, Jim. The gap is 1.8. Leader's at a 31.72.
That lap time was 31.7. The gap to Holloway in front is now 1.5 seconds.
Sorry, Brett.
Thumbs out the bag, man. Keep it up. Good gap.
Brakes.
Stop, straight and smooth.
Code Brown.
I tried to check up for you, but you did stick it somewhere it shouldn't have been.
Yeah, my bad. My bad, totally.
Gap 2. Oh, behind is increasing. It's now
In front of you on the
4
bottom.
seconds.
We're just approaching halfway. You look at your steps for me.
E4. That's
Hang
half
on,
distance.
bud. You'll make a mistake. You'll get
7 laps of fuel remaining.
Like squirrels going in front of a truck on a dirt road, man. Just little heads up if you're pitting in.
The gap to Love ahead is increasing. It's now 7.5 seconds. The lap time was at 31.8.
I follow you, 3. No pressure. Let's get through this.
Keep taking, man. We're going to be finished here probably about 5 laps.
Cool. Catching these crackers.
We estimate 4 laps fuel remaining. Gap 2 Wolf behind is now 1.7 seconds.
Car behind me, I'm pitting in.
Fast guys are running 31.691.
Gap 2 Love in front is now 7.2. We estimate 3 laps of fuel left. Wolf behind is pitting.
76 pitting in, or 2 pitting in.
The leader pit road is pitting. Love ahead is pitting. Look out for the pit speed limit. Pit lane speed limit is 80 kilometers per hour.
The road speed bus, 5 away. At shore mark now. Nice and smooth here. Leaving on B.
Ranson is leading the race.
Ugh.
Go, you go, 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 go.
There's a car approaching. Don't cross the white line.
Pitting in. What happened there, Chris?
Just stepped through my pit stall a little bit.
Damn, that was unfortunate. Now it doesn't actually get to race you a little bit. I'm sure you'll catch me.
Alright, let them on that way.
E13.
Leader pit road. Alright, man, let's try to smooth out here a little bit. We got these guys kind of in it.
E12.
Yeah,
That lap was 30.7.
Alright, let's stay up on her, buddy. You can do it. The gap is 2.1.
Leader pitting this time.
Nice.
Good lap, that's what we need.
The lap time was 30.5. The leader.
Leader's on pit road.
Is pitting.
Leader pit road.
Top 10 should get my halos next time. I don't need to be too greedy, but if I get around top 5, there's 5 to go. I'm going for it.
No, man, we got a top 10, it looks like.
I don't need
Really
gas.
good job, man. No pressure out the back. The gap is 7.3.
I really need to turn on right now. These are laps. I've kind of decided, I feel like.
So, you know, fast guys are running 30.393.
Because there will be a caution and everybody will
19 heading
pit.
out.
E9.
I'll take the high group, just stay low 77.
Trying to be kind of late.
The captain. Oh, ahead is now
Bounce back, man.
1.7.
Keep it up. The gap is 8.1. You're getting on, bud. Keep it up. The gap is 1.6.
They won't have enough gas. If I've got 43 laps. Interesting.
The next car is, good consistency. Keep them coming.
He knows you're coming. Go on, man. Pick it up a little bit. Looking good. Give it one
Alright,
of the
that's
big
all
ones. You got
good.
lots of room behind you. The gap is 9.6.
You've just done a 30.5.
Those lappers out of the way, Earl. 4. Outside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Give it up. Outside clear. The interval is 2.3. Clear high. These lappers out of the way, Earl. Roger.
28 fitting in this time. 28 fitting in.
Outside. Still there. Still there. Clear high. Fast guys are running 30.7. 3, 1. Gotta be quick working these guys.
Come on, 8. You gotta
I
be
got
able
it, man. I already told them. They're hollering at them.
Gap 2. Behind is increasing. It's now 0.9.
down till now.
pressure out the back. The interval is 1.2.
You're reeling. Stevens, in. The gap is 0.9.
Fitting out, 28 fitting
Get
out.
him, brother. Go get him. The gap 2.3.
P6. That lap was at 30.9.
Doing good, man. Nothing coming out the back. The interval is 2.5.
That lap time was 31.0. That's good consistency. Keep it up.
Third, maybe?
Reynolds. The gap is now 1.2.
Good job. 20 laps
Just
to go.
31.1.
Outside. Still there. Clear outside. Go get these boys.
We're first. Let's go.
Leaders running 31.211. Outside. Still there. Outside is clear. Clear.
Together.
Thanks, 26.
No problem.
Gap to Galinas. Behind is now 1.1.
Nothing out the back. The interval is 1.3.
That lap was at 31.5. The gap to Love ahead is now 4.6. Your last lap
Nothing
time
out
was
the
at
back.
31.5.
The gap is 1.9.
Rossi. Keep them coming. Moving out to Galinas. Behind is
Get on
increasing.
my
It's
air.
now 3.1 seconds.
Meters running 31.598.
28 fitting and 28 fitting.
Good job, man. Nothing out the back. The gap is 3.1.
I have a chance to get third here.
Fitting out, fitting out.
Got 10 laps to go.
That was 31.9. Moving out to Galinas. Behind is now 3.4 seconds.
Outside. Still there. Side on your quarter. Clear up top.
Thanks, left car.
What was that?
You can get them. You do it.
I'm just flying
Yeah,
by, so don't
five,
give me any mind.
six. Coming up on it, just a couple tenths of lap. The gap is 2.
That was 32.7.
I got you.
Meters are running 31.797. Outside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Door outside. Clear high. Inside. Quarter. Inside's cleared. 5 to go.
You've just done a
Good job, bud. Get that
31.9.
rhythm. Get that pace. Nice and good.
The gap to Galinas. Behind is now 2.5.
Head him through there, big girl. Roger.
Lap cars fighting tooth and nail, just killing me.
My last lap was at 32.1.
Sorry about that, 27. I was full left.
Should be 2 more laps.
Two laps remaining.
Outside.
My lap time was 31.9.
Clear high, clear high.
The gap to Galinas behind is now
Good race.
3.2.
0x, that might be my license, possibly.
Coming to the white flag this time.
Alright, got 2 guys, unless they reconciled that. Possible. Yeah, it'd be nice to get a Friday, Saturday, Sunday win, but don't look like
P4. Okay, it's over. Well done, mate. Good finish.
My brother gave it hell. Good job.
Alright. I'll take it. 0x. Not very interesting. So who won? Let's see the finish. William Ransom. Are you sure I don't like that guy? I definitely don't like him. He's way out there. Alright, quick. And damn it. Alright, good. Just in case. Alright. Good job, William Ransom.